What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and welcome to episode 2 of useless mods for my Mustang GT. And speaking of useless mods, we got these to install today, boys. And what you guys are looking at here is a side marker tint kit along with a third brake light Coyote decal. Now, what are these loud ass damn trucks, man, I swear to God. Now, what is a side marker light, you might be asking? Well, that is a side marker light, and this one here for the rear as well. Yeah, my car is dirty as hell. If you guys want to volunteer to come clean it for me, I will be more than happy to let you. Anyways, why would I want to tint out my side marker lights? Well, because they kind of just stand out. They're a little bit bland. I don't like the way they look, especially with the look that I'm going for this car, and I will be replacing these headlights with something way more aggressive. So it's like the overall look. This bright school bus orange thing just isn't working for me. So today's video, we are tinting them, and at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to show you a before and after, especially at nighttime. You guys are going to see the difference. So without further ado, man, let's get to work. You might be asking yourself, why didn't I just pop these out and use some spray tint? Well, because that's a lot more permanent. If you want to get rid of that, you got to use a whole bunch of other chemicals to lighten it or get rid of it. Better option, go with a tint. Gives it that nice aggressive blacked out look, and at the end of the day, you can always remove it. Installing this thing is incredibly easy. You just peel it out and you line it up. And there you guys have it. That is the finished product. Looks freaking a million times better with the tinted side marker lights. Like I said earlier, I'm going to do a little nighttime demonstration as well. The only thing I don't like about them is that they almost don't fit exactly, just by like the slightest millimeter, and it's kind of noticeable like if you get really, really low. But from the point of view of a normal human being, it's really not noticeable. And this is the rear one as well, and then this is the Coyote third brake light decal right there. That little O came out a little bit janked up, man. I might have to buy like a little black dot or something to replace that, but besides that, I'm really happy with the way it came out, and I can't wait to see when it's actually dark outside and we hit the brake lights, see that Coyote decal light up like that.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Think in the comment section down below. I know the car's dirty as hell, kind of either way. Simple little modification. I think it looks hella cool, man. You guys let me know. Catch you guys on the next one.